Hey guys, it's Eddie with Blackbird Case here, and today we just received our new iPhone 14 Pro Maxes in both space black as well as a new deep purple, so we're going to be unboxing them for you today. We also got 5 new full grain leather cases for the iPhone 14, which I'll be showcasing, as well as an extra bonus that I'll be talking about in the end, so stay tuned. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing. We're going to be starting off with the deep purple because that's our favorite color right now. It's brand new, so let's check it out. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. So it has this little notch right here for the camera. Look at that. That's lovely. And it has a little protective screen right here. It shows you what the buttons do. Lightning port still. Oh yeah, she's pretty. Let's see what we got up next. We have our Lightning to USB-C. Some info right here. No more SIM card. It's an eSIM. Got an Apple sticker. And that's it. Look at that one more time. Now, let's do the space black. Ooh. Now this is nice. So if you guys remember the space gray from a few years ago from the previous phones, that was a little bit more gray. This is darker, a lot darker. Yeah, you can clearly tell. Same thing here. Charger, some information. Now, of course, these don't come with a brick because Apple wants you to buy more. But so now that you've seen the iPhones, let's put them into our new cases that we have here. So first up, we have probably one of our more popular cases. The Berkeley case. This is a fan favorite, and we left it here in the box because we wanted to show you kind of what it looks like. We want to do an unboxing for this as well. So these are all compatible with MagSafe. And when you open them up, they come in this really cool cloth-like case here. And this is protective, you know, so if you go traveling or anything, you can always use this to protect your leather accessories, whether it be your phone case or anything else. And inside the box, we have some information about us, what we do, where we came from, and what our mission for the future is. It's always nice to check that out too. Comes with some protective pieces. The inside. This also has some of the same information right here, and some of the warranty information if you want some information on that. Take out some of the cards. That protective packaging right there. That snaps right back in. Let's try it out. And this just comes right off right there because it's magnetic. Again, these all have the MagSafe magnets here, so they're compatible with wireless charging as well as all your wireless accessories. So if you have a MagSafe charger in your car, that'll work perfectly well as well there. You can take a look at the case here. It's full grain premium leather. Has some cutouts here for the buttons. It has that bezel there for the camera. We're just going to go ahead and place our stuff right in here. That's what it looks like when it's filled. Now let's close it. You can see, if you drop that, that has plenty of space to protect the corners and the lens right there. Also has a bottom. You can also use this as a kickstand. So what you do is you open this up right here. Boom. And you can just fold that backwards and you're all set. You can use it just like that. When we're watching, you could even flip this backwards, kind of use it as a stand right there. Now you don't have much of a viewing angle, but it works. And this again, it just comes right off. Very easy, very secure. It's not gonna fall. So yeah, this is our Berkeley case here. I'm gonna show you the next up, which is very similar. So this right here is our Carson case. It's our second most popular case. It's another wallet case, and it works the same way as the magnetic Berkeley case that I just showed you there. The only difference is this one is covered all the way around in leather. So there are no cutouts for the buttons or the charger port. And it has these metal buttons there as well. They're very sleek. And it also matches that metal lip right there, right around the camera. Let's put that in and see what that looks like. Snaps right in. Look at that. That's gorgeous. You can see, look at that. Can't even touch the cameras there. Definitely protected. And this one also has MagSafe magnets here as well. Boom. That's what that looks like. Same thing, can be used as a kickstand. Very neat. Now, we also sell these separately as a Barlow. So we have that right here. This is our burnished tan Barlow. Our burnished tan Barlows, or all of our Barlows, have MagSafe built in them as well. You can kind of see the outline in here. And these are all covered in leather inside. There's no suede or anything like that. So that's fully covered inside and out with leather. And since they all have MagSafe in them, you can switch colors if you have a MagSafe wallet. Boom, right there. You can interchange them back and forth. And if you have an iPhone 13 Pro Max case or an iPhone 13 series case as well, if you have the wallet, and you're getting a new iPhone 14, your new iPhone 14 is going to work with your existing iPhone 13 wallet, as long as it has MagSafe. So you don't have to buy a whole new case now. You just have to buy just this part, and it'll work with your old case. That's secure. It's not coming out. Sometimes when it's a new case, because it's leather, you know, leather could be a little bit taut at first, so you might have to push from every corner a little bit until it pops out. Now this is just going to be true for the first few times, because after a while, of course, that leather is going to loosen up. It's going to conform to your phone a little bit better. It's going to be a lot easier to take out. Another thing to mention is, because these are all full grain, natural, real leather, no synthetic, no chemicals or anything, these are all going to pattern very nice over time. They're going to change colors with the sweat in your hands, the skin, moisturizer, things like that. These are all going to change color over time. It's going to look even better. It's going to look unique to you. Now up next here, we have the Mason. And this is basically the inside of the first Berkeley that I showed you here. These come with MagSafe magnets as well, fully covered in leather on the inside. As you can see, it has those openings. And these, same thing. You can interchange them with your other cases. They work fantastic. It's not coming out. Yeah, that thing's secure. So this is a Mason case. And then last but not least, we have my personal favorite, the Edmunds case. Now this is an all-in-one, no separate features. You can hold a bunch of cards in here, same as the other ones. You can hold 4. These are all some dummy cards right here that we're going to take out. This is what it looks like with the phone inside. Boom, you got all your cards right there. You're protected. What more do you need? Got the camera openings. Everything works great here, right? So you can just snap this off. If you want to place it on a wireless charger, you can. That's going to pass through. These don't have MagSafe magnets, so they're not going to work with your wireless accessories for MagSafe. But if you need to charge it or anything like that, you can just open this up, set it on a plate, and that's going to charge. And when you're done, snap that back on, and you're done. You're ready to go. No more wallets, no more anything. You have everything right there in one. So that's going to do it for our 14 series cases, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And I know I mentioned a little special something for you guys at the end. This is our new wallet here. And these wallets, these are all made of plant-based, olive-based material. So made from non-edible olive waste from the olive industry. So these are all 100% compostable and earth-friendly. And they can hold a bunch of cards. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards, and you can put more stuff in here if you want to put more cards or coins, cash, whatever. That's all going to fit in this plant-based wallet right here. Now it just feels exactly like real leather, and it just looks and feels fantastic. It feels just like the actual thing. What's even better is these come in 3 colors, so they come in this new green color, as well as a standard black, and a burnished, almost burnished brown kind of color. So definitely check those out on our website. These are very cool. We're planning on bringing more plant-based things to you guys, so let us know if you like it. Leave a comment down below. And that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in and checking out the new iPhone 14 Pro Maxes. Let us know what you guys think. Do you guys like the new space black? What do you guys think of the new purple? And tell us, what are your favorite cases? If you guys have any ideas or anything, please let us know down in the comments. And as always, drop a like and subscribe. Thanks. Until next time.